Let's start making. I'm using number 3 crochet. You can see this is 3 mm, okay, and this is 2 ply yarn, okay. So we'll start with one magic ring and we will make one slip knot in this magic ring. Now we are going to make one double crochet and we are not going to finish it, okay. The last stitch will be there on the hook like this. Let me zoom a bit. I can't zoom it, I don't know why. Now again we'll make one single crochet and now we are going to join them like this. We'll make 1 2 3 chains. Again we will make one double crochet, one more double crochet, and we're going to join them and we'll make 1 2 3. So in this round we are going to make 8 double crochet and 3 chain pattern, okay. So this one we have done 8. Now in the very first chain we'll make one slip knot and we are going to cut this yarn and we're going to start with other color. Now I'm going to start with this lavender color or a lilac color. So now we will start in this chain space here. We are going to make one slip stitch and we are going to start our new color. So first we will make one slip knot and now I'm going to make 4 double crochet. 1 2 2 3 and 4, okay. So 4 double crochet like this. We will make one chain and in the very next chain space we are going to make 4 more double crochet. 1 2 3 and 4, okay. So we're going to finish this round in the same way. We'll make 4 double crochet, 1 chain and 4 double crochet till end, okay. So now we are going to make one slip stitch in the last and we are going to change our color, okay. I'm taking light yellow color now, okay. So we'll start our next color in the chain which we have taken between these double crochets. We'll start from any of them. First we will make one slip stitch and then we'll start making our pattern. So we'll make one slip stitch, we'll make one double crochet, again we'll make one more double crochet. That means we have to make 2 double crochet, 1 2 and 3 chains, and again we are going to make 2 double crochet in the same chain space, okay. 1 and 2 like this. Now we are going to make same pattern in next chain space. We'll start with one double crochet, 1 2 and here we are going to make 3 chains now, 1 2 3, and again we are going to make 2 double crochet in the same space. 1 and 2. So now we are going to finish this round in same 2 chains, 2 double crochet, 3 chains, then 2 double crochet. Again in the next we'll follow the same, so we'll finish it till here, okay. So now in the end we are going to make one slip stitch in the very first stitch here and we are going to change our color, okay. Now I'm using this dark yellow color, okay. So we'll start same with slips knot and we are going to make in these chains, okay. in this chain space we are going to make our next round. So first make one slip knot, then make double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we are going to make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and in the same space we are going to make 4 more double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4, like this. Okay, now moving to the next, in this chain space here we are going to make double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are going to make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Again we are going to make 4 double crochet in the same space, 1, 2, 3, and one more, 4. So in this round we are going to make this pattern in all of them. I'll see you at the end. See, we have done it like this. Now we are going to cut this yarn and we are going to lock all the loose yarn wherever you can see. I have locked them, and rest I'll do it. Okay, so this is our new pattern. So thanks for watching, and again tomorrow I'll see you with new patterns. So if you like it, please share your comments and likes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye everybody.